Namaste, dear learners. In this session, we are going to discuss the adding the different types of questions into a quiz activity. At the end of this session, the learners will be able to add drag and drop into text type of questions. The learners will be able to add drag and drop into image type of question and add select missing words type of questions. You know, we have earlier added a quiz for practice. So just click on that quiz for practice quiz activity. You will be here and you will be able to see the settings which you have done earlier. That is, quiz will not be available until a particular time and the quiz will close after half an hour. Grading method and the message. Here the edit quiz option is not available to add the quiz. So for that purpose, so just click on this gear setting box. Pop-up window will come. Click on edit quiz. You will be here. Previously we have added the 5 questions. Then click on this add button available at the bottom. Then select a question type, drag and drop into text, and then click on add. Then write down question name and question text. While inserting the question text into this box for drag and drop into the text, we have to write down the numbers in square bracket at which place where you want to drag and drop the text. So here I have chosen a 2 drag and drop place, that is base is an 1 in 2 square bracket and acid is an 2 in square bracket. This number should be increased. Once you have done this setting, scroll down, you will find a choice option. In choice options, you can able to shuffle the choices also. So select it, give the choice. Your correct answer for 1 is written at first choice. Your correct answer for second place you have to given in choice 2. If you want to give more choices, you can give in order to create a confusion among the students. But remember that for first place you have to write down correct choice at number 1, for second place at number 2. Once you have done it, just scroll down, click on save changes and continue editing options and then click on preview. So this is the preview where you have written the 1 in 2 square bracket, there is a text box, blank text box, and where you have written the 2 in 2 square bracket, there is second text box. So student has to drag options into that particular places. For example, I have done it for you. I have dragged incorrect options and click on submit and finish tab. I will get this window. It will show your answer is incorrect along with the correct answer. So by setting such a different type of quizzes, the students may get interest to solving the quizzes, as they have to just drag and drop the text into a question. Next, addition of questions. For that, you can click on add button and then select a question type. Next question type is drag and drop onto image. Select it and click on add. Then write down the question name and question text, that is drag and drop the text into image. Then scroll down and you have to first upload a background image. The accepted file types for the background image should be GIF, JPEG, PNG and etc. You can drag and drop an image file into this window or click on a choose file button. Then attach a file from choose file button. select your image and click on open, and then click on upload this file tab. Your image file is being uploaded, and finally your image file is uploaded. So this is the image. Then below image there is option draggable atoms. So just click on it. Then check whether you want to shuffle the each drag atoms or not. I have selected it, and then I have select a draggable atoms. First select the draggable atoms type. Either you can select a draggable image, means image has to drag into image, or draggable text, means text drag into the image. So I will select a text, and then I will provide a text at the bottom of this draggable atom 1 options. Then scroll down, complete the draggable atom second, scroll down, then I have entered the draggable text for third number. Once I have done it, scroll down and then click on drop zone, and see the draggable atoms has not updated. In order to update it, just scroll down and click on save changes and continue button. Again scroll up, click on drag zones. You will get now draggable atoms updated. So just sequentially select it 1, 2, 3, and then provide a text in text box. Once you provide a text in text box, the dimensions for left and top become 0. Now you have to set a dimensions from this draggable atoms. So for that, just again scroll up. Within the image, background image, you will able to find out the text box is available. So just drag that particular text box and drop at correct place like this. I have dragged first text box at that particular place, then second text box, and then third text box. So this is the correct positions of that particular text. So once you have done by dragging and dropping method and scroll down, your positions of left and top has been automatically updated. So once you have done it, just scroll down, click on save changes and continue editing, then click on preview button. So it is the preview of the questions drag and drop into image. So here within image you can able to see the boxes has been created, and below that there is draggable text is available. So student has to drag that particular text box into the particular positions. So students may get correct positions by dragging and dropping the text into image. So I have done it, and click on submit and finish. So your answer is correct. It will show your answer is correct. Likewise, you have to add a drag and drop into text or drag and drop into image. Next question type is select missing words. So just select missing words and then click on add button, then provide question name and question text. It is a similar type of questions as we have seen drag and drop into text. Here also you can choose, you have to write a positions mentioned in this figure, that is 2 square bracket and the numbers. Then scroll down, provide the choice. You have to give a correct choice at choice number 1 and click on shuffle, add more number of choices, then scroll down, repeat the same process, that is save changes and continue editing, click on preview button, and then your preview is here. So there is choose option is available. If you click there, drop down list may appear. So you have to select a correct options and it will automatically prompted whether your answer is corrected or not. So likewise, we have added a total 8 questions into quiz, that is multiple choice questions having one answer, multiple choice questions having multiple answers, true and false type of questions, short answer type of questions, matching type of questions, drag and drop into text type of question, drag and drop into image type of questions, and lastly the select missing type of questions. In addition to that, we can able to add a long type of questions also, but it requires too much time for students to solve this type of questions. So instead of adding essay type of questions, you may have assignment options. These assignment options we are going to discuss in next lecture. So quiz for practice is now ready because all the questions we have added it. So far we have discussed how to add different types of questions into quiz activity. So in next session we will discuss how to add assignments into Gnomio course. Thank you very much.